Hello everyone, Komada. Right, today we are going to discuss about 2016 past paper fraction question. First of all, I will share the screen and you can see the fraction question. Pause the video, take 10 minutes and try to do that fraction question by yourself. Then I will discuss. Okay. Right. I will think all of you can see the PDF in the screen. Take 10 minutes, pause the video, take 10 minutes, then try to do yourself. After that, I will discuss. Okay. Don't copy. Don't look at the marking scheme. Try to do by your own. තනියම හදුම marking scheme බලන්න එපා මගේ පැටවුනේ. තනියම හදන්න විනාඩි 10ක් ගන්න. විනාඩි 10ක් ඇතුළත හදන්න ඕනේ. question එක හොඳට කියවන්න, පරිස්සමට කියවන්න. එතනින් පස්සේ 10 minutes අරගෙන සම්පූර්ණ question එක complete කරන්න 10 minutes අරගෙන question එක complete කරලා ඊට පස්සේ video එකට එන්න. Okay? Now your time has been started now. Alright, done. Finish. ඉවරයිද? හදලා ඉවරයිද? discuss කරමුද? Okay? Okay, I will stop the share and that's okay, no? I'm not very familiar with looking the PDF, therefore I have the printout version. I will refer that one. All right, that's okay, no? No problem. Okay, what about they have mentioned? First, read the question very carefully. Mr. Kitsiri made a cash donation to a community center. 2 out of 9 of the total amount he donated was used to buy musical instrument. Shall we write the details? Shall we write the details? 2 out of 9 from the total. Can you see there? 2 out of 9 is used to buy musical instrument. I will apply in short form musical instrument. 2 out of 9 is apply for the musical instrument. Okay. Next one. And half to buy sport equipment. Half to buy sport equipment. Not from the remaining. From the total they have allocated another half. That is not from the remaining. ඉතුරු කොටසෙන් නෙමේ, remain එකෙන් නෙමේ. That is for the sport equipments. Okay, fine. Always write the details. First, problem number 1. Find what fraction of the total amount was used to buy the musical instrument and sport instrument. What fraction of the total amount was used to buy musical instrument and sport items? You have to add them together. Asking about total, add them together. 2 out of 9 for the musical instrument, 2 out of 9, that should be added with half. Now what we have to do? If you are going to add the fraction, denominator should be equal. අපි equal කරගමුද? Denominator is 2, denominator is 9. We can easily make 18. 9 multiplied by 2. And here also 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 9. Numerator also multiplied by 9. Got the point? Then answer should be 4 out of 18 plus 9 out of 18. The answer become 13 out of 18. Okay, 13 out of 18. That is the total fraction. It's become 13 out of 18. 13 out of 18. Then another small sentence is there. Read very carefully. Find the remaining amount was used to buy books for the library. Sorry, 1/5 of the remaining amount was used to buy books for the library. 1/5 of the remaining, not from the total, 1/5 of the remaining. Here you have to consider 1/5 portion of remaining. That is for the buy books, buy books for the library. That amount was used to buy books. Problem number 2, they're asking about find what fraction of the total amount was used to buy books. Now you should calculate the remaining amount. Why? 1/5 of the remaining, 1/5 of the remaining. Therefore, first calculate the remaining amount. Now, how much has been used? 13 out of 18. Therefore, from the complete one, subtract 13 out of 18. Then remaining portion become from the 13, another 5 is to create 18. And therefore, it's become 5 out of 18. That's become 5 out of 18. Remaining portion is 5 out of 18. From that, another 1/5 is used to buy books. Therefore, to books, I will write in short form. 1/5 of mean multiplication, 1/5 of the remaining 5 out of 18. If you multiply, you can cut. Kalau pengen cut කරන්න පුතේ. 5 times 1, 5 times 1. Then to buy books, they have allocated 1 out of 18 portion. They have allocated 1 out of 18 portion. බලන්න ඔයාලගේ answers ටික හරිද කියලා. බලන්න answers ටික හරිද කියලා. ගන්න විදිය තේරුණා නේද? Then the amount remaining after purchasing the books was used to renovate the community center. Row number 3. Find what fraction of the total amount was used for the renovation. Find what fraction of the total amount was used for the renovation. Now remaining amount, finally remaining amount, rest is allocated for the renovation. That is for the renovation. You have to calculate that portion. How to calculate it? After allocating for the musical and sports, this much of portion will remain. Now another 1 out of 18 allocated to buy books. Therefore, from this amount, I will subtract fraction allocated for the books. Earlier 5 out of 18 will remain. From that, I will subtract 1 out of 18. Why? This much of fraction will remain. Now another 1 out of 18 allocated to buy books. You can remove that one. Denominators are equal. Easily we can subtract numerators. 5 subtract 1, 4. 4 out of 18. But in the fraction rule is always it should be kept in simplest form. පුතේ දෙකම 2 වලින් divide කරන්න. එතකොට 2 out of 9. The final fraction should be 2 out of 9. 2 out of 9. You can calculate that answer in another method. What is the other method? From the total, always total is completely 1. I will remove musical instrument plus sport equipments plus buy books. The fractions allocated to portion allocated to buy musical instrument, sport items and also buy books. I will add them together and subtracted by the complete one. Here 1 mean 18 out of 18. This summation become 14 out of 18. Then you will get the same answer, no? 4 out of 18. Then write in simplest form. You can bring it as 2 out of 9. You can write it as 2 out of 9 in simplest form. There are two methods. From the complete one, remove all of the thing they have used. Or here from the remaining, I have subtracted fraction allocated for the books. ඉතුරු වෙලා තිබ්බ ටිකෙන් පොත් ගන්න use කරපු fraction එකත් ආයෙ subtract කරා. එතකොට හරිනේ. Finally, if that renovation cost is 20,000, find the total amount is donated. Okay, now this remaining amount is similar to equal to 20,000 rupees. That means if the total amount divided into 9 portions, if the total amount has been divided into 9 portions, 2 portion is similar to. Now for the renovation, they have allocated 2 portion, no? That 2 portion is similar to 20,000. You need the total amount. Total means such kind of 9 parts are there. Then try to identify value of that one portion. Try to identify value of one portion. How to identify it? 20,000 should be divided by 2. Therefore, to calculate total, I will divide that 20,000 by 2. Divide 20,000 by 2. Then it will give the amount of one portion. For the donated amount, such kind of 9 portions are there. 2 portion is similar to 20,000. We need totally 9 portions. Therefore, calculate one portion and it should be multiplied by 9. Divide it 10,000 multiplied by 9. It's become 90,000. Kitsiri donated 90,000 rupees. Kitsiri donated 90,000 rupees. Then තේරුණාද fraction ගන්න ලේසි නේද? එකම දේ පුතේ මේ වගේ details ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ. You have to write the details. පැත්තකින් details ටික පරිස්සමට ලියා ගන්න. එතකොට ගාන හදන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් paper එකේම details ලියන්න ඉඩ මදිනේ. Structured part එක වගේ නෙන්නේ. ඒකින්ද කටුවැඩ කොලයක් අරගෙන ඒකේ details ටික ලියන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මේ calculations පිළිවෙලට පෙන්වන්න add කරනවා. පෙන්වන්න multiply කරනවා. පෙන්වන්න subtract කරනවා. පෙන්වන්න. එතකොට ගාන හදා ගන්න ලේසි. හරිද මේ මෙතඩ් එක තේරුණාද? අපි ඉස්සල්ලා මේ සීරීස් එකේ ෆ්‍රැක්ෂන්ස් ටික ඉවර කරමුද? මේ විදිහට මම වීඩියෝ සීරීස් එකකින් 2016 2017 ওই විදිහට පාස් පේපර්ස් ටික ඩිස්කස් කරගෙන යනවා. ඔයාලට එක වීඩියෝ එකකින් එක පාස් පේපර් එකක් ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් කවර් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. වැඩි හරිද? කැමතිද මේ ප්‍රොසීඩිය එකට? කැමති නම් මට පොඩි කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන්න වීඩියෝ එක බලන හැමෝම. එතකොට මට තව වීඩියෝ එකක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලගේ අයිඩියාස් තියෙනවා සජෙෂන්ස් මට දෙන්න. Right, okay. එහෙනම් we will meet you again from the 2017 past paper question. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.